How you doing? How you doing? How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to another analysis with El Dorado FX. As you know, this is no financial advice. It's only a review, what we think happens in the market. So here we go, guys. It's the new format that we have. We're gonna try to do an analysis in 15 minutes time frame, and we're going to be looking more closely to what it is the different areas and prices that are close to you guys so you can benefit more from the market and check key prices and everything. Okay, so here we go, guys. What we're expecting is that gold respect 4,437 and that the price keeps shooting up and managed to break 4,467. So that will then take the price to 4,517 and to the zone of 4,552, 4,550. All of these ones are key prices that you can have a look and see how it goes. More importantly, we have also a gap of 240 pips down here that you can take basically a close look on this gap that was done today by the Venezuela and all the geopolitical situation that is happening right now. But we see that gap that it looks like it's not going to be filled right now because we see that the price is respecting the key zone 4,400 to 4,388. Simple as that. This gap can be filled if the price decide to drop, but at the same time, we want to have a look of the key prices. If they are respected, most likely that the price can go up. So that's what we want to see on the market right now. Close prices, key prices that can help us to make a decision on the entry price. Okay, guys, so just make sure that you follow up. Make sure you check for confirmation, but that's what we're looking for. These gaps, we're looking the break of structure, we're looking at different things on the 15 minutes time frame that can help us to make a decision at the time to enter the market. Let's go with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still on the daily that we're gonna go. Why we go on the daily on Bitcoin? Because in Bitcoin, because it's a very, very volatile asset, we need to look at the big picture. And we see that the price is already trying to break above what we recommended. And I hope that you guys bought from down below here because it was a nice area to get buying and buying and buying and try and secure profit. So many, many times. And now we see that if we see the price closing above, most likely we're gonna tackle 100,000 once again on Bitcoin. So just make sure that you do your best in there. So we're going back to El Dorado FX free, guys. It's totally free. 1 to 2 signals per day. You can benefit in El Dorado FX free. And we're gonna talk again about Venezuela, everything that is going on. Remember, guys, it has been a very, very hard time um, in Venezuela and different countries in the world, but that is affecting the market, guys. And what we want is to be careful and make sure that we follow basically fundamentals as well. Why? Because fundamentals move the market, and there's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of things that can affect the market. So we need to be careful because, as you know, fundamentals, the move that gold is making right now, especially, is more based in fundamental. We saw the same in the Russia-Ukraine war. Saw the same Iran and U.S. Iran and U.S. War. We saw the same in Crimea crisis and Gulf and Iraq wars. Different geopolitical situation that always drive the price up. So we just need to be careful. Make sure that you subscribe this El Dorado FX free so you can benefit for all the information that we provided in here. So it's very, very important. Okay, guys? Very, very important. That's the only thing we can say. So very, very straightforward, very simple. We see gold that is trying to go up. We see Bitcoin that is trying to go up. We see that everything that is happening fundamentally is affecting the market. So Anyways, this was Analyzing with Eldorado FX. As you know, it's not financial advice, but we are always here for you in anything you need. So make sure that you share the video, make sure that you give it to other people, make sure that you do your best to benefit from these videos. Share, like, and we are here. Take it easy.